Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ooh. I'm just about to wash the Jeep today. The car that I just showed you. Doing it for about 25. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest. If you want your car washed, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put the link in the bio. Or on Snap. That's in my Instagram bio. And yeah, we will wash your car for $20. Inside and out. Same way that we're washing this Jeep here. But there are different like options and stuff that you can get. Like if you just want like a $10 wash, we can just do the outside or just the inside. For $20 for inside and outside. $25 if you want the seats taken out and stuff, you feel. All that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. And we are back, guys. So far I've got all the big stuff out the Jeep. I'm about to start vacuuming. Oh, sorry. Got a little bit of grime and debris in there. To start getting all the nasties out and stuff. Had a tree back here and whatnot. Gonna get all this out, lift the seats up, get that. He's paying for his seats to get took out, but I don't think he wants the seats took out. So, we're not gonna take out the seats. Got a little setup going on here. Got some music playing and whatnot, and the Avalon. And I'm gonna go from inside out, just like we did last time. Get this, you see some scratches here. I don't know what this is from, but I'm gonna use my scratch remover that I got, and I'm gonna get those out as best as I can. I'll see you guys in a little bit. And we are back. I have finally, after an hour and a half, vacuumed out the entire Jeep. It wasn't hard, like there wasn't a lot of stuff necessarily. It was just cheap carpet. So everything's stuck. See, now I gotta go back over again, because you can see, oh crap, there's still some stuff there that came back down on it. But other than that one spot right there, everything else is good. Vacuumed it out. I lifted the seats up, sat them back down how I had them. And the hole you dig. Got that little spot right there. I'm cleaning that up. Got all up here, all in the cup holders. Got to get the gear shifter still. All there. Got all over there. Up there. And the door handle and stuff, all that. I'm gonna go tackle out those last few spots, and then I'll go wash the car, and then I'll meet back up with you guys after. Just like that, guys, we are done. Sorry this video is kind of short. It's just me here today, so, well, as you can tell, it's just me, but we couldn't do any like other recordings since Gabe's not here to do it. But yeah. Got the outside looking all nice, looking good. Just dumped the stuff out, but yeah. Sick. Look at that, nice. The interior looking fresh too. You already know how we do. Look at that. You see the house. Ooh, reflection. And they got the grill done right and stuff, you feel? Sexy. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys have a better day tomorrow. And I'll see you next time recording. Peace.